good evening all and welcome. My name is Sandra, my channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. I hope you are all doing well. It is Christmas Eve. How are we all doing? I'm hoping that you've all done all your preparations and you're now just chilling down now, waiting for the big day tomorrow. If you've got any little kids in the family, I hope they're all excited and raring to go, and I hope they're looking forward to Santa coming along this evening, because you know he's going to be dropping by later on tonight, don't you? So make sure you got your cookies and your milk and your carrots out for him. All right? Okay. And sometimes I think a little glass of brandy might be helpful for Santa as well, just to make sure he's got enough energy to keep going, because he's got to go all around the world, you know. I think he's got to do a couple of laps around the world, so you know what I mean? He needs all the energy he can get. Right, so this evening I am going to spend the next couple of hours just wrapping up on all of my beauty boxes for December, and I'm also going to be doing a video later on announcing the giveaway winner for the end of this year. But the first video I'm doing is my Birchbox for December. So that arrived, I think it arrived yesterday morning. I didn't see the box, but it was my daughter who brought it to my attention. So I have got my Birchbox for December, and it's good because it arrived in December, so that is good. At least they kind of made a bit of an effort. It's a kind of an icy Christmassy feel. So that, or it's just stained. One of the two. So yes, we have got our Birchbox for December. Excuse me, I've still got my very sore throat from my holiday, so I'm still struggling. But I have got lubrication here, mulled wine. Well, you know, it's that time of the year. Got to have a glass of mulled wine nearby, haven't I? There you go. Before I go into this month's Birchbox for December, let me just do a quick review of how I got on with last month's box. So Birchbox, it now costs £16, so it has gone up in price. You are getting 5 to 6 items inside the box, normally sample size, travel size items. The price, as I said, it's gone up from £12.95 to £16, and that is a big jump. And personally, for me, I haven't seen enough of an improvement to justify that price change. So I was signed up for 6 months. So I was contracted for 6 months, and I think this box, this December box or January's box, will be my last box, and I have turned my auto renewal off. So when I have finished with Birchbox this month or next month, I'm not going to be auto renewing it unless they make a significant improvement in what we receive in our Birchboxes. But at the moment I'm not seeing it. I'm also not seeing anybody else on unboxing Birchbox. But then what I realised with a lot of the UK boxes, excuse me, what I've realised with a lot of the UK boxes, some of the bigger YouTubers, they don't do unboxings unless they're getting the box for free. Because I pay for my boxes, you will tend to see me do unboxes. So I pick out boxes which I know I'm going to get something out of. So there are some boxes you'll see I won't do because they're not PR, and I don't think I'm getting value of items in them. But all of the boxes I receive, I do pay for. So at the moment, I haven't seen anybody do a Birchbox video online in the last 2-3 months since their launch. So I think in the launch I saw a few people had done the boxes, but since then I haven't seen anybody else do that. If I'm wrong, yep, sorry, my mistake, but I haven't seen anybody else do it, especially none of the larger YouTubers, the ones who have got sort of like 20 plus, 30 plus people, subscribers. When I say 20 plus, 20 grand, 20,000, 30,000 people. I haven't seen any of those YouTubers do the Birchbox, so I'm just assuming they don't get it as a PR freebie. Right, so last month's box, November's box, got 6 items. It wasn't the best of boxes. I'll admit it really wasn't. So first item was the Philip Kingsley hair mask. It was a deep conditioning treatment mask. How it was described in the online leaflet, it was described almost like a facial mask, but it was definitely a hair treatment mask. It is something that I will use, I just haven't used it as yet. So I'm giving that a score of 1. And just to remind you, I do give scores for the products in my boxes. So I'll give a score of 1 for products that I am going to use. I'll give a score of half if I personally don't use it, but maybe a member of my family might use it, so I'll give it a score of half. Or it could be a product that I have tried, initially giving it, my first impression score of 1, but after using it I wasn't that fond of it, so I might drop the score down to a half. And the third score is a score of 0, and that's basically a product that I'm not going to use for whatever reason. And the product might either end up in my giveaway, because I do try to do a giveaway every month, every couple of months at least, or it might end up in the trash. But it's a product that's not going to be used by myself or anybody in the household. So the 3 scores are 1, 0, or the 3 scores are 1, half, and a 0. So that Philip Kingsley deep conditioning hair mask is going to get a score of 1 because it will get used at some point. I just haven't used it as yet. The next product was from Morning Street, and it was a green daily shampoo, and it was just a shampoo, no conditioner, which is one of the things, kind of like a pet peeve for me. If you're going to give a shampoo, give the conditioner as well, especially when you're doing sample sizes. And it wasn't even a high value item either, so they could have easily have given the conditioner as well. But I've put the shampoo in my giveaway because it's not the kind of product that I would use. My type of hair, we need conditioning, moisturising shampoos, and this is the kind of product that's not going to do anything for my hair apart from strip any natural oils we've got, and don't want that to happen at all. So that did go in a giveaway. The third product was the Arrow lip oil, and I think that was a product I chose. With Birchbox you can now pick 1 or 2 items, I can't remember, I think it's 1 or 2 items, and the Arrow lip oil was a product that I picked because the choices weren't that great. So I have got it upstairs, haven't used it yet because I've got other lip oils I'm using, but it is a product I will use eventually. Next product was from Kinder, or Kinder, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Kindr, and it was a eye jelly pot. So this is something I've received before. Actually, it might be here, I can show it to you. Yeah, it's here. So this is it. I've received this before. I don't need it, don't want it. I know I'm not going to use it, so I did put it in the giveaway box. Oh, and this is the shampoo that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so that's got in the giveaway as well. Next was a Birchbox purse mirror. Actually, I mean, even though it's just a little mirror, it's handy, so it is in my handbag and it does get used. So that got a score of 1 because it's something I will use. And finally, it was a Nail Bay facial mist toner. This is something I've received several times before, and I think I've received it from Birchbox sort of a year ago, maybe a couple of years ago, but it's something I have received a couple of times before. Don't really need another one. I've got lots of toners of really good brands. The one I'm using at the moment is a Murad hydrating toner, so really didn't need this one. So here it is, I just put it in the giveaway as well because somebody else can enjoy this instead. So that's in the giveaway. So for me, last month's box wasn't the most exciting. I gave it a score of 2 out of 6 because the only products I'll be using are the Philip Kingsley hair mask and the Birchbox purse mirror. I will probably use the Arrow lip oil at some point, so we'll say 2.5 for now because I'm not sure about that lip oil. So yeah, for 2.5 out of 6, not the greatest of scores. Yeah, £16 box. You can see why I was not getting my value there at all. Right, so here we go. This is the December box. Let's see what we got. Okay. I apologize for my voice. I really am. I know how bad it sounds, but there's nothing I can do about it. Okay, so we've got the box, and it goes, here we are. It's a few products that we love this month. The December box is here, and it says, and with it a little holiday cheer. We've carefully stuffed your December Birchbox with a few of our favourite things that we hope bring comfort and joy your way, while reminding you to treat yourself to this time of year. As you embrace cherished traditions with family and friends and enjoy making new ones, we're filled with gratitude for another year of your support and of doing what we love together. From all of us at Birchbox, we wish you a happy holiday season and a joyful new year. Team Birchbox. See, I feel bad because I'm pretty certain I'm not going to be continuing with the box. So on the back here, they've kind of given a feature of 3 of the items in here, but there's also a QR code. So the QR code will hopefully give me all the information I need about all the products in this box. So let me do that first. Okay, let's go. So the first thing looks interesting. So this is from LSC and it's Luminous Lip Shine Trio Brillantes. Yeah, it's a trio. I think this is the item I picked because as I said there's 2 items you could pick and I think pretty certain this is the one I picked. So it says Love of Colour Luminous Lip Shine Trio. Did you ever really need an excuse to add some extra dazzle to your makeup routine? We didn't think so, which is why we keep these glistening lip toppers in our regular makeup routine. Great for party season and everyday looks alike. They deliver a glow to the lips that looks just so beautiful alone. So it looks just as beautiful alone as it does layered over lipsticks. Okay, there you go. So how to use it. Apply directly to your lips using the applicator for a sheer wash of colour. For extra impact, layer it over lipstick. I'm looking at the colours. These aren't colours that I would wear, so I can see these are definitely going in the giveaway as well. Okay, so those are what the colours look like. Yeah, these are not colours for me. Okay, so that is definitely going in the giveaway. And I'm pretty certain that was one of my choices. Okay, I just need a sip. Next, right, I'm not joking guys, but there's nothing in my box. I have got one, wait a minute, I think I've got things missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that it? Okay, I've got 5 items. So the next item I haven't got in my box. I don't know if it's a choice item or it was an either one or the other, but I haven't got it in my box. Right, so okay, so the other item could have been from VQ Circa Green Tea Jelly Cleanser. I think I saw that in my daughter's box. She definitely got it. This jelly textured cleanser exfoliator hybrid is both gentle on skin and removes build-up without stripping hydration. Its green tea and Centinela Asiatica formula acts as an anti-inflammatory as well as a hydrating moisturizer. How to use it: moisturise with a damp skin in circular movements, remove with water. Okay, so I didn't receive that in my box. Okay, let's move on, shall we? Next. Right, I did receive this product and I know I'll be putting this in the giveaway because there is nothing from this brand I have enjoyed. So this is from Checker Black and it's the Glow Drops Champagne. So this is something I've received before as well. I think this might be full size actually. So use this primer to prep and brighten your complexion for a glowing finish that helps your base stay longer. Longer, it says. The buildable formula also works on top of makeup to add extra shimmer to your cheekbones, or wear it alone for a glowing no makeup look. We love double, triple, even duty beauty. How to use it: after applying your skincare, apply all over your face with fingertips before your base. Apply on top of makeup for an extra glow. Yeah, so this is not the kind of product I use because I've got very oily skin. I don't need anything that's going to give me additional glow, shine, dew, whatever. I'm very much natural finish or matte finish. So this is definitely going in the giveaway. Okay, is that. What else have we got? Right, looks like I've got this. Yeah, don't need this either. This is not a product for me either. This is from Percy and Reed. So all these products are great for people who are not me. Right, this is Percy and Reed. Up, Up and Away Root Lift Mousse. Creating beautiful hairstyles that look entirely natural is an easy task for this lightweight hair mousse. The spray to foam formula nourishes each strand of hair, lifting it right from the root for increased volume and body. The soothing texture also calms frizz and flyaways even in humid environments. How to use it: lift a section of towel dried hair and spray onto the roots. Repeat throughout hair, comb through and blow dry in sections, lifting from the roots to create a volume. For extra oomph, when hair is almost dry, apply more to the roots and blow dry in. Yeah, so this is definitely not for Afro type hair. Okay, so that's another product that's no good for me. Oh dear. Right, what's next? I haven't got any of these products. Right, so they've given some products here that could have received, but I didn't, or have I? Nope, here we are, we've got this. So this is from Sasha Huan. This is actually a decent hair brand. This is not something for me. My daughter might want it, but I think she's probably got this already, to be honest, in her box. And she has tried this product before. So this is a scalp shampoo. The experts of Szechuan know that healthy hair starts at the roots. Formulated especially for scalp concerns, the soothing scalp shampoo contains a combination of ingredients to calm irritation, reduce dandruff and maintain a healthy moisture balance. So how to use it: massage into wet hair, allow 1 to 2 minutes to work and then rinse out thoroughly. Okay, so this is not a product for me. Gosh. And I have got another product here which looks like it could be a Birchbox nail file. Hey, nothing wrong with another glass nail file. So I've had this nail file before. I don't think it was very good. The glass nail file I use I tend to get from Amazon and they work very well indeed. But I'll have a look at this one. We've got a... Yeah, this might be right for a while. So it's just a Birchbox nail file. So I think in this box, the only thing I'm keeping is going to be the nail file. I am going to be giving away the LOC Luminous Lip Shine Trio because these aren't my colours. The Percy and Reed, I don't know what this is, Root Lift Mousse thing. So to me it's like a dry shampoo. These are things I don't need. The Szechuan Scalp Shampoo, I'll be giving that away as well. And the Jekka Black Glow Drops I'll be giving away too. So that's 4 out of the 5 items. Have I missed anything? No, that's it, 5 items. And I didn't get the VQ Circa Gel Cleanser. So, yep. That's my box this month. All of those products I'm giving away and I'm keeping a nail file. So I think you can see why I am not going to continue with this subscription. So this subscription is either my final one, this box, or the one next month will be my final one. So this could be goodbye, I'm not sure, could be next month. But guys, let me know what you think about this box. I mean, the good thing is that all of this is going in a giveaway. Yeah, it's all good. It isn't it? Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you watch this video over the Christmas holiday, hope you enjoy and you're enjoying your Christmas break. Alright guys, take care. Don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't done so already, press that subscribe button. Alright guys, take care.